Hi and welcome. Just now we sneaked and peeped into the life of an owl. Now, this exercise is a challenge, that is to describe an owl. The objectives have been mentioned. Certain choices have been given. It can be right, it can be wrong. The students are requested to use their thesaurus and a dictionary and look for the most appropriate adjective to describe the features of an owl. They may use number, opinion, age, color, size, order, material, purpose. But the challenge is to use multiple adjectives in the right order. That means if you use more than 2 or 3 adjectives for one noun, what order of adjective do you use? I repeat, do you use number, opinion, age, size, color, order, material and purpose? But in what order do you group the adjectives? Do you know it? Give it a try and then we will learn in one of the future videos. Thank you.